Okay, let's try this again. Welcome back, or welcome to my little channel here. Today I'm working on a Z71 Chevrolet Colorado. And of course we were doing the thermostat and the engine coolant temp sensor. Now there's 1,000 videos of guys making these tools and what have you, cutting this and welding that and what have you. So, and I've kind of done the same thing, but we're gonna maybe a little bit more refined. So, other than I did use a Harbor Freight tool. So, here's what I came up with. So, this Mac Tools part number XB162A. It's a dog leg wrench extension, basically. Mac Tools. It was a half inch, 12 point. I used this for doing the inside cylinder head bolts on that style of an engine. Big block Chevrolet, race block, race cylinder head, extra head bolts. Anyway, so that's what I had this for. I had it in my toolbox. I think you can get them off of the Mack truck for, I don't know, maybe 30 bucks. Yeah, it's kind of expensive, but this worked out pretty slick. And so I went to Harbor Freight too, and I got a 12 point 15 millimeter socket. And yeah, my welding's shitty, so you don't fight me. But this depth on this socket is pretty good. So I thought I would just use it. And I'm gonna set this down in here. I've already screwed the new sensor in, and this just fits in there just neat. And I'll get it on a spot where I can get the ratchet to it. We'll turn the light on here so you can see what I'm doing. You can see it just goes in there like that, real nice. And then I'm ill prepared. I'll grab the ratchet. Well, I thought I had one. There it is. All right. So, sorry about that. I thought I had it in my pocket, to be honest. But we'll get this down in here. And you can see the ratchet just kind of goes in there real nice. And I haven't tightened this yet, so we'll just give it a little snug. And we're good. And this all just comes out by itself. So, saves a little time. Might cost a couple more bucks, but I mean, in the long run, I actually think it's a little bit better design idea. But anyway, you guys be the judge. Pretty busy at home here, doing my 5 to 9 stuff, and on the weekends we're at this 62 bubble top. We're putting air conditioning in and fixing brakes and what have you. And this Lexus has got, of course, a valley plate cover leaking, and this Canyon, and I just finished a Versa door project this morning. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're going to be changing the name of this channel here pretty soon. I'm starting this little business here at the house. It's going to be called County Line Garage. So more videos and stuff coming on stuff that I'm working on. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you do, smash that like button. Subscribe. I mean, I'm nobody. I got like 100 subscribers, but maybe you'll get somebody else turned on to me, and we'll see what we can do with this. Anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned, my friends.